children, today we will solve story sum on time. Okay, and it is in exercise 10.4. So you all listen it carefully, watch this video carefully, okay, because the time from the time chapter you are doing first time story sum. So I am going to solve few questions from this exercise. Question 1 is, what is question 1? Ram started from his house at 8:30 am and reached his school at 9:30 am. For how long did he walk? So for this, first frame the sentence. Ram started from his house at 8:30 am. Ram started from his house at what is time? 8:30 am. 8:30 am. 8:30 am means 8 hours 30 minutes. So right, it's a 8 hours 30 minutes. Okay, what is the second sentence? Reached his school at 9:30 am. He frame the second sentence. Today we will solve only 4 questions from this exercise, 4 or 3 questions. He reached, because slowly you have to go, because this chapter is new for you. He reached school at what time? 9:10 am. Whenever you will feel any type of confusion, you can ask me. 9:10 am. Write in hours and minutes. 9 hours 10 minutes. 9 hours 10 minutes. Okay. 9:10 means 9 hours 10 minutes. 8:30 means 8 hours 30 minutes. Which one is bigger one? 9:10 or 8:30? 9:10 or 8:30? Obviously 9:10. So we will subtract 8 hours 30 minutes from 9 hours 10 minutes. So this one we will write on top. Now we are going to subtract. Earlier you have done subtraction in the place value, tens, hundreds, thousand, but today we will do subtraction in hours and minutes. 9 hours, so you all watch it carefully. 9 hours 10 minutes, okay, minus what is 8 hours 30 minutes, okay. Can you subtract 30 from 10? No, we can't subtract 30 minutes from 10 minutes. So we will borrow 1 hour from this 9. We will borrow 1 hour from this 9 because it is 9 hours. 9 hours give 1 hour to this 10 minutes. And as you all know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 9 has given 1 hour to this 10 because this is the small number. So 60 plus 10 is 70 minutes. 60 plus 10 is 70 minutes. So it will become 70. It will become 70. I will write over here 1 hour. What happened? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 10 minutes. So it's become 70 minutes. Understood? It becomes 70 minutes. That's why here it's a 70 minutes. Write like this. Write like this. 70 minutes. Okay. Now you can subtract 30 from 70 because 70 is the bigger one. 70 minus 30 is 50 minutes. And now this 9 is 8. Now this 9 is 8 because 1 hour this 9 has given to this 10 minutes. This is now 8. 8 minus 8, 0 hours. Okay, so answer is 50 minutes. Answer is, how you will write? He means Ram, he walked for how many minutes? 70 minus 30 is 40. Yes, 70 minus 30 is 40. 70 minus 30 is 40. So he walked for 40 minutes. He walked for 40 minutes. This is the answer. Now read the question 2. The school bus left the school at 7:30 a.m. School bus left the school at 7:30 a.m. and returned to the school at 9:20 a.m. How long did the bus take to make the morning round? Which one is bigger one, 9:20 or 7:30? 9:20. So we will subtract 7:30 from 9:20. So for this also first we have to make the sentence. So first sentence what you will write? The bus left school at 7:30 a.m. I am writing the sentence. Question 2. The bus left school at 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. means how many hours, how many minutes? 7 hours 30 minutes. Second sentence what is? Return to the school at 9:20 a.m. The bus return at what time? 9:20 a.m. 9:20 a.m. means 9 hours 20 minutes. Now subtract 9 hours, not working, wait, 9 hours, how many minutes? 20 minutes minus 7 hours, how many minutes? 30 minutes. Again do the same way. We can't subtract 30 minus 20, so 20 will borrow 1 hour from this. 9 will give 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Then 60 plus 20, 80. 60 plus 20, now it's a 80 minutes. Okay, and this 9 is now 8. Now 80 minus 30, 50. 50 minutes. 8 minus 7, 1 hours. Okay. So for this also make the sentence that bus take 1 hour 50 minutes to make the morning round. Understood? Question 3 is different. In a cricket match, a bowler takes 5 minutes to bowl an over. How many overs are bowled in an hour? Time, make the sentence, time taken to bowl one over. How many minutes to take in 1 over? 5 minutes, equal to 5 minutes. Okay. Time taken to bowl 1 over equal to 5 minutes. Total time equal to 1 hour. Read the question again. In a cricket match, a bowler takes 5 minutes to bowl an hour. 5 minutes. How many overs are bowled in an hour? In an hour means 1 hour. How many overs are bowled in an hour? Means in 1 hour how many overs are bowled. That's why total time 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Now number of overs bowled equal to 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5. Why? Because time taken to bowl 1 hour equal to 5 minutes and total time 1 hour. So we have to do the number of overs bowled equal to 60 divided by 5. Now divide. It's a very simple division. 60 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 6 minus 5 1 0. 5 2 ja 10. So 12 overs are boiled. How many overs? 12 overs are boiled. Answer: 12 overs are boiled. Okay.